Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. If you created your website using a Wix template, chances are that there are sections and pages you don't really need. So, in today's video, we'll be removing them in order to prepare your site for launching. Let's get started. So, first, you have to go over your page and see if there are any sections that you don't need, just like this one. To delete a section, click on it and just simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. Do the same thing for all the other sections that you don't. Double check everything once again to see if there are no more sections you don't need left. Great. Now let's talk about how you can delete pages you don't need. Go to Pages and Menu, and over here, see if you have any pages that you don't need. Hover over it and click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it. Then hit the Delete button to delete it. Alternatively, you can also hide a page instead of deleting it altogether. So on the drop-down menu, select Hide From Menu. Hiding it will not delete the page, but instead it will hide it so that your site visitors will not be able to access them. You, however, can still access it here on the editor. So simply repeat the process until you finish deleting all the sections that you don't need on every page and until you also delete every page that you no longer need. And by the way, as you noticed, the changes you make will automatically apply to your navigation menu as well. Once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. And basically, that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.